and welcome to my channel. I am a small artist and small business owner of CarelessCo. I ran a sale this weekend and I got a few orders that need to be shipped out. I've always wanted to do one of these videos where I pack up orders and I guess talk within my studio, which really is, I guess, my studio slash office space. The items I currently sell are like on t-shirts, pins, stickers, keychains, t-shirts, prints, small prints. I just got into making some mouse pads. I got one design. Well, my sister actually helped get some like pens. Yeah, I said that, writing pens. Eventually I do want to get like a little figure done of one of my characters or something that I've drawn. Maybe a stuffed animal. Who knows? Let me pull up the orders and let's see what we need to pack. So we got 3 sticker orders. We also got a t-shirt order and then a big order, which is a t-shirt, a pen, and a mouse pad. I just bought one of these like t-shirt folders. Kind of wanted to try it out. Oh, but you know what? All my shit is packed up. Damn it. Yeah, don't need this. Some scotch tape, some scissors, scale, the packaging. I had to order a new pack to do stickers. Gotta make sure you put a business card in there. I am running low. Phoenix Fan Fusion. We were passing them out like candy. Actually, I forgot that I just bought a new trimmer. Let's open this baby up. Has anybody else been watching Love Island? Shit's crazy. Shit's kind of gross. But like, I'm stopped watching it for some reason. Whoa. Nice. Okay. My fiance just met Tom Sanville. So ran out of mediums for this order. But I think I have one that I use for display for like artist alley. Usually when I ship out stickers, I try and give at least like one free sticker, you know, just to juicing up the order. See all your options. Pretty easy. Hopefully we have some. Great. All out. Alright guys, so I did pack up my big order and I have a Instagram reel that I made of it because I love all the things I bought. They're so cute. I love packing orders. You know, I'm a small business. I don't get a lot, but it's so much fun. I am so excited to try it. Let's do it. This is a cheap one, guys. Never thought I would ever have to buy one of these. I'm just, you know, I do my own laundry. I used to work at a retail store. I don't know if anybody remembers Route 21. I don't know if they're still around. But there was always this t-shirt table and I would stay there, you know, folding them all day. But I feel like this thing will help me just make my shirts look a bit more nicer when they're folded instead of just like quick hand ones. Like, I got the skills, but this thing's cool. I don't know, maybe I just wanted one. Alright, so I think it's not that first. So it's gonna be boom, boom. Okay, it didn't get all the way over here, but like, that was super simps. Oh, bam. Right now my free stickers are a little skeleton Mario, a little hard eyes. Oh, also, my sister works at American Eagle, so she hooked it up with these like black poly bags. So if you think it's American Eagle, it is not. It's CarelessCo. So I have some like older stickers, straight paper. They're not like laminated, they're not glossy, nothing, just plain like sticker paper. So I printed these out a while ago just so I can like use them for my packages. And I think it's kind of cool, you know, save you money instead of saving money and time. And also like, I don't know, if you want to keep the sticker, you technically can. Some people do that. I know most of the time a lot of you know, small artists are doing like the thank you stickers and all that. I don't know if I'm there yet. Well, just realized I wasn't recording some of what I was talking about, but you live and you learn. Honestly, the few times that I have ran a sale on like Etsy, it hasn't really like helped out that much. I do pay for like the marketing and stuff like that, but I don't know. It's definitely a hustle for sure. But this time around, I am doing a pretty big percentage off. I'm doing 40% off right now, which you should go check it out. So I have been using an old school ruler to measure out my packages. You know, if it works, it works. Having this cutter is honestly so amazing. So nice. I had the cheapest little like sliding cutter. And I mean, to be honest, it worked, but this is so much nicer. This is my first time using it and it's a game changer. And this guy it was like 40 bucks, I think, on Amazon, which is awesome. You know, pricey, but worth it. For sure worth it. It says it can cut like 10 pieces of paper at a time, and that's why I got it. So we'll have to put that to the test soon. Etsy, bro, why are your labels for something that is so lightweight through, you know, the carriers like USPS kind of expensive? But, you know, that's my bad. I should probably look into getting some stamps, because with a few of these stickers and how far they're going to, like, especially in the East Coast, you're just going to pay a little bit more. But with this sale, doesn't really help me out that much. But that's okay. Small business, you know, small winnings. It's so awesome. We got some packages going to New Jersey, Minnesota, Virginia, Louisiana. This one's my fave. I love my little goalie goal. Get it like girly girl. Play on words. Fun. The sale is still going on for this whole month, so please be sure to go to my Etsy shop and check it out. And yeah, it's very appreciated. Thank you guys.